Hello guys, welcome to second lesson of WordPress from Zaytun Splash channel. In this lesson we will work forward with using WordPress. In this lesson I want to work in localhost because most of the students that want to learn do not have any domain and do not have web hosting, but they love to work with WordPress. In the description I have the link of using WordPress in localhost. I have installed WordPress in localhost before. Now I want to open it. For using we should use XAMPP. In XAMPP we should start Apache and MySQL. Now we come to our browser. In here we type localhost/WordPress/WP admin. I have uploaded how to install WordPress on XAMPP. It's in the channel, and I add the link in the description. In these few days, in 2 or 3 days, the biggest update of WordPress 5.9 have released, and we will work with this version of WordPress. First of all, we should have a template for our website. Now we check our website. It's empty and it has 2021. It's a template from WordPress. When you install it, you will see in this, or you should activate 2022. It's for 2022. It's a new release of WordPress. We don't have customize in here. We have editor instead of customize. We can edit it by page builder. It's so easy to edit it, but I'm sure most of the templates that we have do not support this. Because of that, I do not activate it now. I don't want to be I don't want this should be activated. I use another domain, another template. I come to install a template for my website. I come to add new. I search for a template. The name is Zakra. Zakra is a powerful and it's a good free template that we can have. Now I install it. After installation I activate it. Now I refresh my website. My template has changed. Now I want to work with customize a letter. In the customize for the Zakra theme, in here we can have the pro version, global. It's for theme. We don't have this in here. It's because we have changed the template. They are related to template, but for knowing better we activate this theme to work with customize and appearance. The first one, we have site identity. We have the site title and site tagline. For tagline, we want to type it. Learn web design free. Now for the logo, I have uploaded this one. I use this one. I group it. I have used this logo. It's in here because the size is too big, but if I make it small, it will go here. Now I can add favicon in here. I have the favicon XAMPP, but I can use my own. I want to use this. Now it has changed, but for working better, we should make it by Photoshop something better. It was for site identity. Then we have color. We can change the background color. If we change, I want to change it to olive or any other colors. Now we see that if we make it dark, the color will be white, and this colors will be white. Or if we use dark color, light color, then the text will change to black. We choose this one. We can use dark mode. Before we need to use it with a plugin, but now it's activated from WordPress and the new version of WordPress. If we use dark mode, the white colors will be black and the dark colors will be light, and we can turn off it. Then we have background image. If we want to use a background image, before in HTML and CSS we have worked with background image. Now in Photoshop, now in WordPress, it's so easy to use image as a background. For the first one, we have a background image. Then we have preset. Before we had full screen, fit on screen, repeat, or custom. We was using it by CSS, but now we don't need to use CSS. It's fully dynamic by using WordPress. Now if I scroll, it will scroll, but I make it fill screen to be full size, and now won't scroll. If I use repeat, if I scroll it, it will scroll, but if I turn off this tag, it won't scroll with my mouse. If I make it center, it will be in the center. This was for the background image, but now I want to remove it because I don't need to use a background image. For menus, we have primary menu. This is primary menu, and this one is footer menu. That we can change them from here, but not from here. It's not good to use it by here. In the next lessons, we will learn more about menus, to use them in the Photoshop, to use them in WordPress. Then we have widgets. Widgets are so good to use them. and every website use their own widgets, and in the next lessons we will learn about widgets. Then we have homepage setting. For homepage setting, we create a page and make it as home, or we want that our latest post should be as our first page. It will show us our first page, your last post, or static. And do you want to have a blog post or no? Some sites have blog and some sites do not have blog, and we will learn more about blog styles. Then we have expert setting. For expert setting, when we write something, then we want to add a read more for it. We see in most of the sites that even in Facebook it has a link. After that link, you should tap on read more to see it. But if we use full text will be shown, and if we summary, a little text will be shown, and we need to click on read more to see all. And we have additional CSS. Additional CSS is for adding CSS. We have learned CSS before. If you didn't worked CSS up to now, I have the full tutorial of CSS uploaded in my channel. You can see them. I will link them at the end of my video. It was about my website, website setting. Now we go back and check other settings. Now we come to appearance, then themes, and we want to activate Zakra. When we activated Zakra, we have Zakra options. Now in here I want to add a demo. Now if I check my website, if I refresh it, I have changed my template, and this was for the theme that I had before 221, I think 2021, but now I have installed Zakra. For Zakra I want to import demo. For adding demo, we have many demos that we can import them. Now I want to add apply jobs. Apply jobs are premium, but for the free, agency 03 is a good template to use it. Now the demo imported. We refresh our website. Our template changed to Zakra theme, and we have dummy content in our website. This was about how to use WordPress, how to use appearance in WordPress. And this was a little bit that we have learned about WordPress, how to use, how to add them, how to install them, how to change the logo, the colors. We will learn photo in the next lessons. In the last lessons, I have forgot to tell you how to change the password for your user. For changing password, you come to users, then all users. Now for the admin, we click on edit. Then in here we have set new password. In here we can set a strong password, or we can change it to any password that we want. Then we simply update profile, and the settings will be changed. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.